Okay, in these notes, I'm going to show you some basic rotations I need to show you on paper pencil best I can. So this first one here, I'm rotating 90 degrees. Remember, if they don't tell you clockwise or counterclockwise, we assume that you know this is clockwise, which is like a clock hand turns this direction. Hopefully you know clockwise. So this is the origin. The origin is the point 0, 0, which is right here. So I'm going to take this and rotate it 90 degrees, which is a quarter turn, clockwise. So to do that, take my tracing paper, trace the pre-image. That is A, that is B, and that is C. Make sure you find the rotation point, which is the origin. Once you find that, I want you to draw an orientation arrow straight up from that, and I'm going to have you watch that. That's the arrow you're watching make the turn, and then we'll see where the triangle ends up. So from there, 90 degrees, I'm turning, that's about 45 degrees right there. Right here is a quarter turn. When I make that quarter turn, I look and see, fill in these spots where my triangle is. I can see on the tracing paper. Lift it up, and again, I know those points are going to be right there. Fill it in nice and deep. If you follow those in nice and deep, it's sometimes easier to see where those are going to be. So again, right here, that is B, and I'm going to call that B prime. Right here, the next one is A prime, and then this one is C prime. So make sure you're knowing the rotation and you're knowing what the new image points are. So quarter turn, this is going to be a quarter turn 90 degrees. This is my new location, and if I lift it up, you could see that's where my triangle is. Next one is a 180 degree turn around -2, 1. Again, they will tell you if it's clockwise or counterclockwise. If there's nothing there, assume it's clockwise. If they tell you clockwise, know it's clockwise. So I'm doing a 180 degree turn around the point -2, 1. I'm going to flip my paper over. I'm going to use this triangle right here. I have different pre-image coordinates, so let's list those so I know which is what. -20 or -21, I'm sorry, is right here. Once you find it, draw that little orientation arrow straight up, and I'm turning that arrow 180 degrees counterclockwise and see where this new image location is going to be. So I'm making my turn, keeping that pivot point on -2, 1. That's a 90 degree turn. Keep going, keep going. I want to go 180 all the way half turn. When I stop right there, I could see that my new location's right here, right here, right here. Try to fill it in nice and deep so when you pick it up, you'll be able to see those indentations on your paper, which is right here, here, and here. Let's get those correct labels there. So those labels are going to be A prime right here. This is B prime right here, and then this is C prime right there. That is a 180 degree rotation. So starting here, and as it rotates 90, it's down here, and as it turns the full 180, ends up right over yonder. All right, last one. This one, 90 degrees counterclockwise, turning this direction. So I take my paper, fill in those triangles, right, the proper coordinates. I'm going around 1, 1, which is right here. Draw my arrow. I'm not going clockwise. I'm going 90 degree turn counterclockwise, quarter turn to the left. So keeping that point best I can on there, and I can see when I stop the new triangle locations. I have A right here, C prime right here, B prime right there. When I lift it up, I could see, hopefully, it's right there, and right there. And then get those proper labels. This is C prime up on top. This is B prime over here. And then that last one is A prime right here. So that's how you do basic rotations. Hopefully that helped a little bit. I'm here every day at lunch or break to help you out. Good luck.